Alright, going to be working on the 2011 Chevy Volt. It's had a check engine light for a while. And when I scan it, it's the P0D59 code. Looking at it, it has found that the charge port is broken, that there's like a little crack in the back of it. I did pull mine off a while ago and it looked like there's a little micro crack in the back of it that can cause these, so we're going to get this replaced. Part number is right there. Got it from Findlay Auto. It took a while to find it. It's not in stock at a lot of places, but we're going to see if we can get this installed. Need some pry tools to pry this out, and then this pulls out with it too. And then you have your old connector, and you'll need your Torx. Pop that out. I did have this out before, and these were thread locked in, so they're very difficult to break free. Obviously, having had it out once to inspect it for those cracks makes this part a lot easier. But if you're taking this out for the first time, it's going to require a lot to get these free. Once you get them unscrewed, there is this little hook here that you got to push it through to disconnect it. Then it's just disconnecting this harness, and we'll throw the other one back in. This harness, just a little squeeze right there, released it. Alright, here's the old one versus the new one. See, the new one has this different covering on it. So on the back of this one, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little tiny crack right there, which my understanding is what causes the error. It gets some moisture in there and then it errors out. The screws do have these little captive rings on them. Obviously didn't work, or all of them didn't stay on the old one. New one has those. And then this is that little piece we'll have to snap back in when we reinstall it. Alright, slid the new one in. Get these screwed in, and then put the cover back on, trim ring back on. This is a T27, I believe, T30 Torx, just so you know. Back in. Everything's back installed, reconnected. Plug in. And it's charging. So the issues I was having with this was a check engine light, and then when I would plug in the car, I'd have to unplug it and replug it in probably about 50% of the time to get it to connect. It would always charge, but it wouldn't always charge on the first plug-in. So like I said, I would have to unplug it and plug it in a couple times. It'd usually work on the second time. So I'm going to reset the check engine light, drive it for a while, and see if this fixes it.